So if you're facing a verification code problem over on WhatsApp, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix that. So make sure to watch this video till the end, otherwise you can miss something very important. And let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you can do is that you're going to go to your device settings. In here you're going to go to applications and applications management. Right here you're going to search for WhatsApp. Now go to storage usage and simply click on clear cache so that all the corrupted cache memory of WhatsApp will be cleared and you will get a resetted version of WhatsApp. Once you have done with that, you're gonna go back, go to permissions, and then for the SMS permission, if it's not allowed, then you need to check it to allow so that all the SMS from the WhatsApp will be received. After that, you're gonna go to your Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and check if there is any update for WhatsApp is currently available. Then you need to update it to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is the update. So you have to update WhatsApp to its latest version, and once you will do all these things, go and retry the process, and this time most probably you will not get any kind of issue. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.